Hi. Yeah. Do you want to tell? I don't know. So hi guys, Envy Vlog, and yeah, I think most of you have seen these fidget spinners. Now, I'm going to be telling you what a fidget spinner is. Well, you probably all know, but for you guys that don't know, this is what it is. So, a fidget spinner is basically for people who have OCD or love fidgeting around and can't stop. So they need something in their hand. For example, what could I get? So I also have another fidget thing, the fidget cube, which I'll be doing a video on. So that's more for fidgeting. But this is basically, for fidgeting. But it's basically helps you concentrate and, yeah. But everybody seems to be buying these and I think it'll be pretty cool. But, yeah. So, I was just telling you what a fidget spinner is and I have some things to say. Okay, so I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for absolute ages, and I know you guys will think, oh yeah, you always says that, but I'm really, really sorry because I've been really busy because I have to get home later, and yeah, and we're always going out, and some weeks I'm at my dad's, which is, yeah. So the next video, I'm going to do another one today, and it'll get uploaded tomorrow, but it's going to be a fidget spinner advice. What? Not advice, like tips. Yeah. I'll just give out my big secret. Alright, I know it's going to look a little bit weird, but yeah. Oh no! It's falling apart. I got a dinosaur thing, I don't know why, my mum just gave it to me. And yeah, his toes fell off. That's why that's why I gave you a toe to start. To greet you with a tail. Yeah, I made it. But, yeah, soon he's going to, oh no! Oh gosh. I need to fix this. Right. Oh god, it's like holding one of those bears where you get a Costco. I've had one of those. My mum chucked it away there. Nice, mum. Right, so I've made that the Indominus Rex style. And if you haven't watched Jurassic World, I need to show you this. He's died. Yeah, if you haven't watched Jurassic World, I presume you do. It's an amazing film. And yeah, see you guys later. This has been Envy Vlogs. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Nib's not dead, it's actually me. Oh yeah, forgot to say, because that used to be all gunky and now it's not, so we've done it. And yeah, I've got a gun out there. So, lonely. Bye bye.